Hi guys, my name's Kasim and we here at Etech Mobility are Birmingham's leading electric wheelchair and mobility scooter retailer. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at something a little bit different compared to our other videos. So usually we demonstrate all the electric wheelchairs and the mobility scooters that we have, but we're going to actually be looking at one of the accessories for our electric wheelchairs. So the accessory we're going to be looking at today is the leg extension. So you can probably see it on the wheelchair already. We've got them installed. So in this video, we're going to have a little discussion, what they're used for, who can use them, and what reasons you may kind of purchase the leg extensions. And then we'll kind of showcase just how easy they are to use and how you can make adjustments to make it more comfortable for yourself. Okay, so what are the leg extensions and who would use the leg extensions? So for what they are an alternative to the single central footplate that comes with your electric wheelchair. The alternative is because some users, they may require the leg extensions because it has a dual footplate and you can adjust the angle and adjust the length of it, which makes it easier on your knees and easier on your legs, or depending on what medical condition you have. If you have a medical condition which requires you to adjust the angle of your leg or just to stretch it out a little bit more, then these are suitable for those sorts of users. So I'll demonstrate for you guys as well. For those that don't like the single central footplate, it may be because your legs are sometimes restricted. So I'm a lot slimmer and a lot shorter compared to some of our users. So for me, it looks okay. However, if you were to put someone in that's taller than me, for example, then their knees may feel like they're at a higher position compared to what I am at the moment. And your feet may actually be going off the single central footplate. But if I was to now put these down, then I would be able to kind of stretch out my legs. My knees feel a little bit more relaxed. And it gives me that ability just to adjust the angle as well if I need to. So again, if you've got a medical condition where you need to adjust the angle, then this is perfect for that sort of thing. Okay, so I have just removed one of the leg extensions from its position just to kind of demonstrate it for you guys. So over here, this is what the leg extensions will look like. And you've got like a little thing over here which allows you to kind of lock it in place. So if I was to just adjust the angle there, then I would be able to just lock that into position using this. Then I wouldn't be able to adjust the angle any longer. Now, fitting these leg extensions in is very easy. All you've got to do is you've got to fit it into the little hole that's over here. And you simply just allow this little hole here to go into that position. So very simple. You've got two holes, line it up and fit it in. And that's in now. Then from there, you will adjust it to the angle that you like. So if you like it a little bit higher, then you'll be able to do that. Then you just put the lock into place. Or if you like it at a lower position, then just drop it and put the lock into position. So very straightforward, very easy to use. And removing it just like that. So if I was to put it back in, lift, and it's already out. So if you have troubles and you kind of worry that it's going to come in your way, at least you know that you'll be able to very simply put it in and you'll be able to put it out very easily as well. So yeah, guys, as you can tell, very easy to use, very easy to install into the wheelchair, remove them. And one thing we get asked a lot is, can you fold the wheelchair with the leg extensions on? And yes, of course you can. But as you can tell, it's easy to remove the leg extensions as well. So you can fold it that way as well. I like doing it with the leg extensions off. I just find it's much easier. But it doesn't mean that you can't fold the wheelchair with the leg extensions on. The colors that you can get in these leg extensions are silver, as you can tell on this wheelchair. We've got black, and we've also got red for the red wheelchair users, and we've got champagne for the champagne wheelchair users. It doesn't mean that you can't mix and match colors and I don't know, get a bit creative with it. Just so another thing to bear in mind for the leg extensions, they are only available in our Freedom Elite range and our Freedom Pro range. So the wheelchair I've got here with me now is a Freedom Elite ST, which is why I'm able to fit that in. But we've also got them in different wheelchairs for the Freedom Pro and the Freedom Elite. And another thing I would recommend, if you've got a reclining wheelchair from us, then I would always advise getting the leg extensions, because if you are reclining, I think sometimes we forget our knees are still going to stay in that same position. So if you have the leg extensions, it allows you to kind of almost lie back completely. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions or if you are confused about anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can call us on 0121 661 4336. You can email us support@etechmobility.co.uk, or you can check out our website if you want to purchase one at www.etechmobility.co.uk. Or if you do have any questions and want a quick fire answer, I'm always checking the comments. So you can check the comments. You can chuck a comment in, and just let us know if you have any questions about it. Or if you have questions about other products, or if you have any recommendations as well for products that you guys feel like you need on your electric wheelchair, then please make sure to let us know. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook now. If you are looking for exclusive discounts, or if you're looking for exclusive promotions, then we will have them on our Facebook and Instagram for the coming months. But yeah, leg extensions, very easy to use. And I highly recommend for people with the medical conditions, or if you are a taller user, as it will make it easier for you.